Likey.
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 Likey. When Likey go to Hawaii. Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking Beautifully. What are you cooking today? Today I have my daughter Amber here. Amber, can you say hi to everyone?
Hi.
Amber, since we cannot go to Hawaii this year, I'm thinking why don't we make a sushi from Hawaii? What do you think?
Yeah.
What should we make?
Musubi.
Yeah, let's make a musubi. But to make our musubi more special, we want it to look like a cartoon character. Who's your favorite cartoon character?
Totoro.
Ooh, isn't this a cool fan?
Yeah. You press this part and pew.
Okay, let's cook.
Now I'm going to teach you how to make the teriyaki sauce. First, you add in some soy sauce. Then some sake. And then some sugar. Then whisk. Then let it boil.
The first step for us to make our musubi sushi is to cut our span. First, you slice them and then you cut them into the shape of Totoro. The second step is to cut the cheese. You want to cut out the tummy of your Totoro. Also, cut out their eyes. The third step, you want to cut nori to create Totoro's eyes, nose, whiskers, and some triangles on his tummy. To cook the musubi, first, Amber, can you help mommy add some oil to the pan? We want to heat up the pan. We are looking for the sizzling sound. When the oil is hot, put the Totoro-shaped span on your pan. You want to be patient and wait until your Totoro span gets caramelized. You will see the color changed slightly. Now, my span Totoro got caramelized. I'm going to add some teriyaki sauce to it. When your span changed the color, kind of dark brown, and really absorb all the teriyaki sauce, you can turn off the heat. To make your Totoro musubi sushi, the first thing you want to do is to shape the rice. I happen to have those mold. Those are perfect for you to make musubi sushi. So the first thing you want to do is you want to fold your mold with good amount of rice. And if you do not have those mold, you can still definitely make those sushi. You just need to wet your hand with some water and use your hand to shape your rice. And after you fill the mold, you just want to make sure you press down. Okay, now remove the mold. Ha! Your rice is perfect for your musubi sushi. The second thing you want to do is now to put your span on top of the rice. And then remember those cheese we cut for the tummy? Put it on top. And those two eyes. Great. And do you remember we also cut some little triangles? Those triangles are perfect for Totoro's tummy. I typically do 5. I do 3 on top and 2 at the bottom. Okay. After you have the tummies ready, you can also do the eyes. So one thing that's very handy is the toothpick. If you cannot get the nori, you can always use a toothpick to help you. Okay, and now don't forget the nose of the Totoro here. And also Totoro has some whiskers. So again, use your toothpick and put 6 whiskers on top. Ta-da! Your Totoro Musubi sushi is ready! Totoro, Totoro! Totoro, Totoro! Amber, look at our Totoro Musubi sushi! Aren't those cute?
Yeah, they're so cute.
Are you ready to try them?
Yeah.
Let's eat it! What do you think?
We'll go.
It's really good?
Delicious. Best musubi ever.
Remember to try this recipe. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for choosing Cooking Beautifully, where memories are made. Bye!